Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Lil A Busy, bringing you a brand new Adidas shoe unboxing video. Just recently just bought some new high tops online for about £30. For about they were discounted from £75 down to about 50% off, so down to 30. So I got them in like blue. They're like like suede, and they're really nice. Um, so yeah, so I thought I'd treat myself to some new shoes again because I like my high tops and I like Adidas as well. So let's get into the box. So I was greeted with the Adidas shoe wrapping paper, and then how did the lady? Yes, I ordered these like online as well. So by the time I'm making this video, they will probably still be £30. If not, they might be sold out, or they've gone back to normal price, which is £70. So yeah, these are the new blue Adidas high tops as well. So that's the right side. That says Adidas Basket Proof. That's the back. Just seen there's a little suede mark on there, but that's fine. I can get that off later on. And then that's the front of the shoe as well, and then the side profile as well. So that's the right shoe, the right side, and then finally the left side. There we go. So that's the blue side. There's a little mark there again. Well, I can get that off anyway. I'm not going to really matter too much. That's the tongue of the shoe as well. That's the back. The side, the bottom, just in case you wanted to know, but there you go. And then there's the side of the shoe there as well. So yeah, also got myself some crack protect and crack eraser as well for the eraser for the suede. So let's just put these. So that's right side down to left side. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Adidas. The website I got these off is JD Sports. I'm not sponsored by them either, or Crack Protect. So this is the Crack Protect, the ultimate shine and rain stain resistance barrier. Protects it makes like a layer on top of your shoe. Apparently needs like 2 coats, just to protect the suede of your shoes as well, so they don't get wet or anything like that. And then this is the suede like eraser, so like gets like scuff marks, which I'm gonna have to do later on, which you noticed in the video, which I didn't see till afterwards. But yeah, let's have a look. So it's like a purple block eraser. Okay, so that's what the crep suede eraser is as well. So yeah, so that will get off all the scuff marks on off those shoes, or later in the future. So yeah, so that's what I bought off JD Sports. Again, not sponsored video by Adidas or JD Sports, or Crep Protect for that matter. But yeah, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are new to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm now 60 subscribers. I'm now 40 away. I'm filming this in 8K. This is 24 frames a second on 8K, so YouTube algorithm should convert it up to 30 frames, but the video will be 24 at 8K, so you get a nice quality, high finish video. So yeah, I do have another unboxing video of some Adidas high tops as well. If you want to check that out, it's on my channel as well. It's done about three months ago. So yeah, it's on like 600 views on there. Yeah, so go check out if you are new. Subscribe to my channel. Links in the description below, and I'll see you possibly in another unboxing video. Hopefully. In a couple of weeks, the new Xbox Series X as well, for an unboxing of that. Okay, take care guys, thank you for watching, bye now.